Hey guys, it's Angel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my summer bucket list or things to do during summer when you're bored. So I have a list of ideas here, so they're sorted it out into 5 categories. There's to learn / to start, to create, to do, to make, and to go. So let's get right on to the video. The first category is to start or to learn. You can start a YouTube channel. So many people want to start a YouTube channel, but they're always like, I don't have time, or they're too busy. Now that it's summer, it's summer and you're not like doing anything. Maybe you are, maybe on vacation, but summer is a great time to start a YouTube channel. Learn a new language. Learn new hairstyles, and I do have a video about hairstyles if you guys want to go check it out. Learn a new sport. I currently play soccer, but I think it'd be really fun to learn basketball and maybe be on the school's basketball team. I don't know. They'll probably kick me out the team right as I get in. Start a business, and there's a lot of online businesses on Instagram, little online shops which can lead to be very successful. So you should start, especially jewelry businesses, vintage, thrift shop businesses. Learn an instrument, especially the ukulele. The ukulele, guitar, those are some summer instruments. So if you guys want to learn that, if you have a ukulele or guitar, you've never learned how to play it, maybe you can learn. The next category is to create. The first thing you can do is create a summer playlist, make a summer scrapbook or journal, make friendship bracelets, go gardening. And I've actually never really done gardening. My grandma does gardening, my siblings help, but I never help, so now I can help. The next category is to do or to get. The first thing you can do is something that I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time, which is redecorating your room, catch fireflies, have a water balloon fight with all of your friends, dye or highlight your hair, or if you have black hair like me, you can get colored extensions, get a summer job, tie-dye an accessory or a t-shirt. I think t-shirts and bandanas are the most popular accessories to tie-dye. Write your own mini story. Find a new series or movie to watch. Get some ice cream. Find your aesthetic. I feel like everybody has this aesthetic, as in theme color that they like, or things that they like that matches them, which is an aesthetic. If I just see it and like it, I'm like, that's my aesthetic. There'll be two opposite things. They'll be vintage and they'll be bright colors, and they'll be I like that and I like that. So those two are my aesthetic. Have a sleepover in the car. Have a movie night. Throw an epic party. Have a sleepover on the trampoline. I have a trampoline. I don't know if my mom will let me, but I definitely want to have a sleepover on my trampoline. I think that would be so much fun. Go on a hammock, and if you don't have a hammock, get a hammock. Go on the swings, guys. I personally think this is one of the most fun things to do in the summer, going on the swings. You can get better at a sport. Jump rope, hula hoop, run or dance in the rain. Do a small act of kindness. Read a book. Blow bubbles. Pay it forward. My friend told me the story of how she was at I don't remember, but she was at a drive-thru and she paid for the person behind her, and then the person behind her paid for the person behind them, and it just became a chain of paying it forward, or in that case, paying it backwards. Do some chalk art. Solve a puzzle. Get your nails done. Get a small summer job. Bake something or cook something, if you actually know how to cook. Take Insta pics. Glow up. So glowing up just means you can highlight your hair, dye your hair, get a haircut. I love when people come back to school and they have a haircut, or they've grown their hair out really long. It's just a small but big difference, you know? The next category is to make. Make s'mores. I've never made s'mores before, but actually, yeah, I have made s'mores. I made s'mores at camp. Yeah, I have made s'mores, but I want to make s'mores again in our fireplace. Make a photo wall. Once I redecorate my room, I think it'd be really fun if I have a little section in my room where I can just put a bunch of photos. I think it'd be so cute. Make up a dance, some TikTok dance. Make up a TikTok trend. Make some DIYs. Make fruit kebabs. Make popsicles or ice cream. Make friendship bracelets. Make a lemonade stand. The last category is to go. Go on a hike. Go on bike rides. Go through a car wash. Those are really fun. Go on a boat. Whether it's vacation with family or your family has a boat license. I've never gone on a boat and I thought it would be really fun. Go roller skating. Go rollerblading. Go ice skating. I think that would be really refreshing in the summer to go ice skating because it's so hot out, but the skating ring is so cold. So go rock climbing. Go on a road trip with family and friends. Go to a trampoline park. Go to a festival. Go to an amusement park. Go to a concert. Go to the pool. Go to the beach, you know, typical summer vibes. And the last thing you can do is go on a picnic. Okay guys, that was just a small list of some things that you guys can do during summer. I love watching summer bucket list videos, and even if you don't decide to make a summer bucket list, you can do these things when you are bored during the summer or you just want something else to do. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If this video gets to 20 thumbs up, I will convince my mom to let me get colored hair extensions this summer. I think that would be so much fun. So get this video to 20 likes. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications, because if you subscribe but don't turn on the post notifications, you're not going to be notified every time I post a new video. Comment down below your favorite thing to do during summer, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Aesthetics. I don't know how to say it.